Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search preferences in Inventory Organizer, and this is in PowerChart, Cerner, which is now Oracle. What you want to do is you want to press on this magnifying glass. You will see a pop-up window. You want to right click it and press Customize All Options. These are all available options, and this is the selected options here, which reflects this right here. What you can do is, let's say we're picking a facility. You want to press Add. Don't do Add All because all these will end up being here. So I'm going to go to Add It. Shows up here. You can change the order of these. So you just highlight it and then go up or down, and once I press OK, it will reflect the changes here. I press OK, you can see the facility was added and it's right at the top. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thank you.